Hello, friends, and welcome back. Today's lesson is going to be about compound words. And I know this is probably just a review lesson for you. Nonetheless, I think it's a good idea for us to review it. Okay, so let us begin with a short video and see if you can tell me how is this related to compound words. So I just want you to go ahead and keep the video in the background, and we'll come back to it at a later time. Okay, so here is our clear learning target for this lesson. I can identify, create, and determine the meaning of compound words. Let's go ahead and read it together one more time. Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3. I can identify, create, and determine the meaning of compound words. So I'm going to show you a few words and I just want you to name the word. Okay, so see if you can come up with the word for the illustrations. Here we go. Okay, so what do we have here? It is true, it is a ball, but what kind? Just write it down. Number 2. How about that orange thing? Not the pillow, but the orange one. What is the name for that word? Write it down. How about this one? Where is the baby? It's true, he's bathing. Okay, just write the word down. And what's wrong with this person? He's touching his head. Why? Okay, just write it down. Okay, so let's go ahead and read the following words. Okay, so I'm going to say them and then I just want you to repeat after me or with me or before me. It doesn't matter. I just want you to take a time to read the words. Okay, let's go. The first one is lunchbox. Let's go one more time. Lunchbox. Yep, here we have it. Lunchbox. The next one is toothbrush. Toothbrush. Yep, there it is. And the last one is sunlight. Say sunlight. Very good. Sunlight, right? Okay. Did you notice something here? What did you notice? I hope you're noticing the same thing that I am noticing. Okay, so tell me what happens when we put two words together. So here we have the word sun and we have the word light, and we're putting it together to do what? What are we doing? Okay, well, if you're saying that we're putting them together to create a new word, then you are totally correct. Okay, so compound words are two words that we can put together to form a new word. Also, the new word is called a compound word. And the new word has an entirely new meaning. Okay, so doesn't mean the same anymore. It has an entirely new meaning. So now that we have reviewed the definition or meaning of a compound word, let's go back to our video and how is this buffalo and the tree trunk related to a compound word? What do you think? So what I want you to do now is I want you to pause the video, and if you have a friend with you, I want you to talk to your friend. If not, I would like you to write a note so that then you can upload it to my Canvas lesson or your teacher's lesson, and let her explain to her how is this video related to compound words. Okay, so remember, pause the video and take as long as you need. Excellent. So let's go ahead and look at this quick slide that has the concise definition of compound words. And it's just we take two words, we put them together, and we create a brand new word. So we have here example, we have every plus one means everyone. So I can say everyone is in the class today. How about the second one? Yes, we have the word white and the word board, and then we put them together to create a brand new word that is whiteboard, right? Something that we use pretty much every day in the class. So let's go ahead and do some practicing over here, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to read the words. Remember, we always have to practice our diction. And then we are going to determine which are the two words that are making this new compound word, okay? So we're just going to dissect them. We're going to take them apart, okay? So the next one, the first one is what? Good job, rainbow. So rainbow, which two words form the compound word rainbow? Very good. Yes, we have the word rain and the word bow, and we have now a new, brand new word that is rainbow, and it's beautiful, isn't it? Okay, let's look at the next word. Now we have keyboard, something that we use every day, and you're probably using it today as well, right? So keyboard. So let's go ahead and repeat the word one more time, keyboard. So which two words form this one? Yes, well done. The word key and board, we put them together, and now we have the word keyboard. Excellent. Okay, let's look at the following one, okay? Here we have the word pancakes. Who likes to eat pancakes? I love eating pancakes. So, what are the two words that form the one word pancakes? Yeah, that's right. We take the word pan and the word cake, we splash them together just like the buffalo did, and we have a brand new word that is called pancake. Excellent. Well done. So let's go ahead and look at the last one that I have today, okay? Yeah, so let's go ahead and read it together first. Butterfly. Yes, good. Butterfly. Okay, so butterfly is a compound word, right? So which are the two words forming this one? Well, if you say butter and fly, you got it. And we have the brand new word butterfly. Okay, well done. So this is what I want you to do now. I want you to pause the video. Let's go ahead and read the question first, okay? So, and then you're going to pause the video. And again, if you have a friend with you, I want you to discuss the answer with your friend. Otherwise, I want you to just write it to upload it to for me or for your teacher, okay? So let me ask you this question. When we put two words together, do they form a new word with a different meaning? I just want you to ponder on that, okay? Okay, well done. Yay. So let's prove it, okay? So remember, every time we try something, we have to prove to see if it is right, if it is correct, right? So now is our time to prove our hypothesis that when we put two words together, we create a brand new word with different meaning, okay? So here we go. You guys are going to help me with this one. Okay, so I have the word fire, okay, which means a flame, right? Just like you see right there in the illustration. And now I have the word fly, which is an insect, You can see the illustration right there. So when we put them together, what is the word that we are going to create? Yep, firefly. Firefly, I'm sorry. So yeah, firefly, an insect which carries light with it. So if you look at the illustration, you can see the little bug or insect flying, and it has a light on the back, right? Some of them have them on their eyes. I remember when I was growing up, um, the fireflies that I knew had the light in their eyes. So there are different types. This is a different kind, okay? So let's go ahead and look at the next word. Okay, so here we go. We have the word book. We all know what is a book. We have the word store, and we know what that is, right? So what's a book? Yeah, something that we read, right? It's a reading material. How about store? What is that? Hmm? Very good. It's a place that sells things. Okay, so if we put them together, we get the word bookstore. What is a bookstore? Look at that. Look at the illustration. Very good. You got it. It is a book, a store that sells books. So it's a bookstore, right? So I think that we have proven our hypothesis. Okay, so now I want you to take a couple of moments and I want you to think about this, okay? Because I am going to be giving you some pictures and I want you to put them together to make a compound word. So get your thoughts together for a second and let's go ahead and begin. So I have here two items, two different things. So what is the first one? It is a ball. Very good. How about the next one? A pen. Yes. So if we put them together, what do we get? Yep, we get a ball pen. It's a type of pen that is called like that, a ball pen, right? Okay, so let's look at the next one. Okay, so now I have a wheel and a chair, and let's put them together. And what do I get? Good job. Yes, we get a wheelchair. Okay. So you see, when we put two things, we're getting complete different, and a word that has a complete different meaning than the original ones, right? Okay. So here I have a table and I have cloth, right? Material, cloth, linen, right? So if I put these two words together, what do I get? You are very, very right. You will get a tablecloth. So we get one of those things that we put on top of the table so that they look pretty. Tablecloth. Very good. Excellent. Now, remember to go practice the pronunciation as we come up with the new words, okay? Okay. Excellent. So, how about this one? I have an arm and a chair. So what is the new word that we are going to create? Excellent, very good. This type of chairs that have the arms, they're called armchairs because of the arms, right? Okay, so what I want you to do now, again, I want you to pause the video and I want you to reflect on this question, which we have already answered, but I want to make sure that you can explain it in your own words. Okay, so remember, pause the video. If you have a friend, you can share the answer with your friend. Otherwise, just write it down for to submit to me or to your teacher at a later time. Okay. So what is a compound word? Okay, so let's continue. And I have here the definition for you. Um, Hopefully you have your own, but you can definitely use mine if you need it. Okay, so a compound word is made up of two words put together to form a new word with different meaning. Yes, very good. So we are going to do an activity now. It's time to practice. And this one we're going to sort of do together. So you're going to match the words in column A with the words in column B to form a compound word. Then you are going to use those words to complete the sentences. So it's a two-part assignment, okay? So assignment number one, we're going to do just orally. However, assignment number two, it's uploaded to your Canvas course or what have you, Google Classroom or whatever platform your teacher is using for you to complete. You can do it alone or you can do it with a partner, okay? So let's do the first part. So now we're going to match the words in column A to the words in column B to form a new word, a compound word. So let's go ahead and do this. So let's go ahead and look at number one, bed. And let's go ahead and look at column B and see which word we can combine with bed to form or create a new word. Well, if you said bedroom, you are totally correct. So I'm just going to go ahead and give you a couple of minutes. Remember, pause the video, try to complete the words on your own, and then when you're ready, you can just come back and restart the video again. Okay? Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we have raincoat, breakfast, classmate, mailman, crosswalk, moonlight, and sweetheart. Very nice. So the second part of our activity for this class is completing the sentences, right? So I know I did it, but I want you to take your time to do them on your own. So again, I want you to go ahead and pause the video, refer back to your class, and complete that activity, and then we're going to go ahead and check and do it together. Okay, so pause the video first. Okay, so you're back. So let's go ahead and read. Remember, I want you to repeat after me. It is a healthy habit to eat breakfast every morning. I stay in my bedroom when I'm sick. My classmate finished the project yesterday. I use a raincoat during rainy days. The mailman delivered my birthday gift last week. It is important to use the crosswalk when crossing the street. The moonlight didn't let me sleep last night. Lastly, my grandson is a sweetheart. Well done. Well, we're almost reaching the end of our lesson, and here is one of the last activity that we're actually going to do together, because the next one is an exit ticket that you're going to do completely on your own and then submit to me or to your teacher. So here, what we're going to do is identify the compound word in each sentence. Okay, that was part of our clear learning target, and it's the last thing that we need to do for today. So your job here is to pause the video and highlight or write down each compound word in the sentence. Okay, so each sentence has only one. There you go. That's the clue. Okay, so again, pause the video. We'll reconvene together in just a minute or so. I just want you to have some time to work this out on your own. Okay, are you done? Okay, I'm sure you did a wonderful job. Now, remember, I'm going to read the sentence, and I also want you to practice by reading it with me, after me, before me, doesn't matter. Just practice reading, okay? So here we go. She was raised by her grandmother. So, which one is the compound word in this sentence? Well, if you said grandmother, you are totally in the right. Okay, sentence number two. Tammy was in PE class when she complained of a headache. Very good. Yes. If you said headache, you are totally correct. We saw this one before. Remember earlier on in the class, in the lesson. Okay, last one. The plants in the backyard are blooming. Good job. Good job on your reading and good job on your identification of the compound words. So, friends, we have reached our exit ticket. Now you're going to find this in your inbox for assignments. So I need you to do this on your own, and then I need you to upload it to my Canvas course, okay? Or for your teacher, whatever platform your teacher is using, okay? So this is all on you. Um, I hope that you have enjoyed the lesson and that it's been useful to you, and I will see you next time.